In this video, I would like to talk about how to develop a child's communication through the use of visual support, specifically first then board. I will explain what is first then board, how it helps a child develop communication, and how to use it. So, what is first then board? A first then board is a visual support tool to assist children, particularly those with Autism Spectrum Disorder, in developing communication skills and enhancing their understanding of daily routines and expectations. It consists of two sections labeled first and then, and utilizes pictures or symbols to represent activities or tasks. The purpose of first then board is to provide a clear visual representation of the sequence of events or tasks in specific situations. It helps children with ASD to better understand and anticipate what is expected of them, promoting effective communication and reducing anxiety or frustration that may arise due to difficulties with verbal language and processing information. First then board helps a child develop communication through various ways such as visual representation. Children with ASD often have better visual processing skills compared to verbal processing skills. A first then board provides a visual representation of the task or activities, making it easier for them to understand and follow instruction. For example, if a child is struggling with transitioning from playtime to completing homework, the board can show a picture of the preferred activity, playtime, under first, and a picture of the less preferred activity, homework, under then. Second, choice-making opportunities. The first then board also offers choice-making opportunities, empowering the child and increasing their engagement. By incorporating preferred activities or rewards, the child can understand that completing the less preferred activity will lead to something enjoyable. For example, the board can show a picture of a bathroom, less preferred activity under first, and a picture of a play with a favorite word, a preferred activity, under then. Third, clear expectations. The visual nature of the first then board helps children with ASD understand what is expected of them in a given situation. It provides a concrete representation of the task or activities that needs to be completed, reducing ambiguity and promoting independency. This clarity helps in reducing anxiety and challenging behaviors that may arise from uncertainty. Now, let's talk about some general guidelines on how to use first then board with kids with ASD. First, choose appropriate visuals. Select pictures or symbols that accurately represent the task or activities involved. Use images that are meaningful and motivating for the child. This visual can be actual photographs that will increase the child's motivation and engagement. Second, set clear expectations. Be consistent and use the first then board frequently so the child can understand how it works. Ensure they understand that completing the first task will lead to the then reward or preferred activity. Use simple and concise language. Third, make it visible. Place the first then board in a prominent location where the child can easily see it It could be on a wall, a desk, or a portable board. The visibility of the board helps the child maintain focus and reminds them of the task or activities. Fourth, reinforce and praise. When the child successfully completes the first task and transition to the then activity, provide reinforcement and praise. This reinforces the connection between the board and the expected behavior. Fifth and last, gradually fade the visual support. As the child becomes more proficient in understanding and following the sequence of events, you can begin to fade the use of the first and then board. This involves gradually reducing the visual support and using just the verbal directions. For example, with the time you will reduce the use of first then board and you will focus on verbally stating to the child, first we will clean up, then we can go have some ice cream. Scientific evidence supports the effectiveness of first and board when interacting with children on the spectrum. Several studies have highlighted their positive impact on communication, behavior, and daily living skills. Please remember that each child is unique and the first and board should be tailored to the specific needs of each child. I hope this video helped you understand what first and board is, how to use it, and how it helps a child on the spectrum to develop communication. If you have any questions, make sure you type them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.